Welcome back to the Hogemann Raceworxs channel. Welcome back to the Hogemann Raceworxs channel. We built a building. It's white, it's round, it's cold, and it's in Canada. It's an igloo.
So like my brother said, we built ourselves an igloo. With everything going on in the world, we kind of chose from taking a step away from building cars for the summer. We still had our cars out all summer. We just didn't make them, 1,000 horsepower monsters, which I wanted to do. I didn't get around to straight up building my square box Chevy to where I wanted it to. I drove my Trans Am. My brother drove his Camaro, which you'll see inside. But kind of with everything going on, we just chose to back off the cars and build ourselves a building because one, we needed more space. We were sick of paying rent for storage for the winter. And you know what? Who doesn't love more projects? So here it is. Let's just, as you can see, we're kind of full of snow. We just got a big snowstorm. So let's get around to cleaning it up and we'll get inside. So yeah, this is our, as you come in, this is our transmission side. We got all our Chevys and Dodge transmissions. And then we got some extra shit there, or extra stuff. Then as you move along this side, we got a shelving, which we're gonna be starting to put a whole heck of other car part stuff. We got our 2-engine, or a couple engine holders. Then we just got all our outside tools, our pressure washer, different things. As you can see, that's one thing we got to work on. I have to still put the edging around the whole top, so that's why all the snow's kind of getting in, and then the edging. But other than that, once the edging comes in, there should be no snow. So while we and then we haven't figured out what we're gonna do for the door yet, so that's why we got an insulated tarp. And as we walk in, boom, you see yeah. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, we got some snow in here too. We still got to do like that edging. We got this one side started and then the blizzard happened and we didn't get around. So that's why we got all that, like on our 2 cars here, we got snow because it blew up the, like through the top there. So, and then we got the bike, got another engine. We got LS engine. We got a bench here, which I actually want to move to this corner once it's finished. And then pretty much that's it. So this side is 30 and then 30. This was originally just what we were gonna do was 30 by 30, but then we had extra ribbing. So then that's why I went and pretty much pushed in posts over there, and we extended another 20 feet. So that's why the shop is a total 30 by 50. And then I think the roof is about 16 or 18 with the pony walls. We have 4-foot pony walls, so we can still do stuff. Right now, you can see it's not insulated. I want to first start doing insulating the back once we get all the snow off and do the rib. We want to start insulating the back, doing stuff. But originally, this shop was one of those like tarp shops where you just put the ribs up and then you tarp it over. But the guy we bought it from didn't have the tarp or anything, it had rips, so we just bought the ribbing, which is super cheap, and then we just stuck it up, and now we're here with the shop. So that's kind of our walk around with the shop. We got kind of just stuff stored in here. We got the cars, we got to blow them off, get all the snow out of here, and pretty much try to become snow proof. Try to get it so then we can actually work in here, because I got a couple big projects that I got to do, which we couldn't work in the OG shop because that shop's too short, like it's not long enough, and we couldn't turn the vehicle in because of the door not being wide enough. So that's why kind of the story behind building this shop is. But hey guys, it's been a couple of months since I recorded that video. I'm editing it now, and for some reason it like just cut off there. I don't know why, like if it's on a different SD card that I can't find, but I just want to kind of give a background of like the whole shop. Like I don't think in the video I kind of told you all why we're doing it, except for like we were doing bigger projects. But the reason we did it was to store cars for now, for the winter. In the spring we're going to be, hopefully, I want to concrete it so I can start putting, I've been buying slowly sheet metal tools or fab tools put into there, like welders, benders, just everything, so pretty much I can build stuff all in the shop, so I don't have to outsource anything. It can just get built here. Even buying like suspension parts, I can weld them up here. Yeah, so that's kind of like the background of the whole shop. There is goals for us to expand the shop and to expand into the shop. Like the OG shop, we've been kind of remodeling it so we can get more space, but there's only so far we can go with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I know it's really short. It's not a ton of information. It's kind of boring, but just keep going with us because there's going to be a lot of new content definitely come spring, because in the next 2 months, right now it's January, there's the trucks coming along. Yeah, so just keep following along, like, share, subscribe. I just want to give you an insight that it's not just something that we just built. There is like a future for it. But yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.